Are you ready to earn travel rewards and make your next vacation more affordable? Keep watching to discover the best credit cards for travel rewards in 2025. It's going to help you really maximize your points and to get the most out of your travels. Now, this video is obviously not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So let me tell you something. If you love to travel, you know how expensive it can be. With the right credit card, you can really, you can earn points, you can earn miles for every purchase and use them for flights, for hotels, and other travel perks. So let's take a look at the best credit cards that are going to help you earn more rewards on your spending. So here are the best credit cards for travel rewards in 2025. Chase Sapphire Preferred offers, generous sign-up bonuses and great points for travel and dining. You got American Express Platinum Card, which provides premium travel benefits like access to airport lounges and 5 times the points on flights booked directly with airlines. Capital One Venture Reward Credit Card. That lets you earn 2 times the miles on every purchase. Perfect for everyday spending. There's even City Premier Card, which offers bonus points on travel, restaurants, entertainment, giving you more ways to earn rewards. And the Chase Sapphire Reserve. It's another one, perfect for frequent travelers who want premium travel rewards, lounge access, and 3 times the points on travel and dining. These cards are going to really help you rack up the points quickly and unlock amazing travel rewards. So start using them today to make your travel dreams come true. And listen, if you found this video helpful, leave me a like. I love you.